act within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Older, dance, dance,
Good morning. It is Art of Animation check-in day and Blizzard Beach and Animal Kingdom day. How excited are you?
I'm so excited. It feels like we never left.
I know.
I love this resort.
This is our third time staying here.
Fourth, I think. I don't know.
No, because we've stayed in Cars in 2022 and then Nemo in 2023/4. So I think it's our third. How excited are you?
I'm real excited.
Where are we going? Blizzard Beach.
We have not been since we were little kids.
Blizzard Beach and Animal Kingdom.
Yes.
At some point.
Woohoo! We're at Blizzard Beach.
Disney.
Is the family excited?
Yeah. Excited.
Woo! So it is 12:35. We are leaving Blizzard Beach. I didn't film because I don't have a GoPro or anything to put in the water or thing for my phone. But John, what did you think of Summit Plummet?
I thought it was awesome. It was a really fun
I'm sad.
and there was hardly any wait.
I'm sad I didn't get to film him because, like I said, all my stuff was in a locker. But in future trips, I will. All right. So we just got back to the hotel, Art of Animation from Blizzard Beach. I plan on doing a room tour later of our room. And I will try to get everyone's opinion on Blizzard Beach later. But we did the toboggan racers as a family. We did the other mat slide where there's 3 of them. I forget the name of it. But you can go 3 at once. And it's just down a little slide. It's a mat. Sorry, I had to catch the elevator, so I'm just going to stand out here and give an update real quick. But we did the toboggan racers as a family. We did the other mat slide that was, you could go down 3 at a time. We did the lazy river. John and Peyton did Summit Plummet. I didn't get to film them because I don't have a GoPro and the DJI can't get wet, and I didn't have a bag for my phone, so I just left everything in a locker. So I didn't get to film them going down Summit Plummet, but they did that. Hoping in future trips I can get at least a video of John doing it. But they did that, and then what else did we do? I think that was actually it. We were going to do the Runoff Rapids, but we're going to Animal Kingdom tonight, and Animal Kingdom is only open till 7. We have never done Animal Kingdom in the evening, so we were going to do that. So yeah, we had to kind of get back. A few of us are going to eat lunch now, while the other couple are going to shower, and we're going to switch, and so I will check in with you all later. We are headed to Safari first. It's a 4:07 and it's a 5-minute wait, so that's where we're headed first.
Saddle-built stork on top of the hill, and on the right-hand side, you're going to be able to see an okapi. Now the saddle-billed stork is the tallest bird in the forest, standing at about 5 feet tall. And okapis are sometimes thought to be related to zebras due to the stripes on their legs. The Nile hippopotamus is in the water, but also some pink-backed pelicans. These pink-backed pelicans get their name due to the pink coloration they get on their backs during mating season. See some Ankoli cattle. Now those great big beautiful horns on their heads can grow to be around 6 to 8 feet in length from tip to tip. While those horns look heavy, they're actually extremely lightweight due to them being made with a honeycomb-like structure. A group of zebras is known as a dazzle, which are going to be those adorably small, s'mores-colored antelope on the right-hand side. Springbok have an ability known as pronking. It's going to let them jump 9 to 13 feet in the air. Also on the right-hand side, you're going to be able to see a Maasai giraffe. Maasai giraffes can grow to be around 18 to 20 feet tall. That's going to be taller than this truck.
We just did a safari and we're headed to Pandora.
Hey,
They bring their little foot trophies.
The Pandora bug. Okay, so we have the cookie dough brownie ice cream sandwich. This thing has gone completely viral. We're gonna try it. We got one to split because it is literally so big. All right.
Very good.
Is it really?
We have one extra snack.
Oh my. Oh my gosh.
What do you think?
Oh my. What do you all think? This is really good.
That's good.
Very good.
Very, very good.
Definitely split it. Definitely split it. Expedition Everest. How was it without me this time?
Oh, I missed my wife. But I had plenty of fun without her too, because she sucks and she wussed out.
I did not wuss out. I have sinus issues. Peyton did it back there with him. Looks like he had a good time too. Now we are off to Navi River journey because when we checked it earlier, it was like a 50-minute wait. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Hi. Are you excited for Navi?
Navi,
It was a 50-minute wait. Now it's down to a 40. So we're going to try to do it again. We got about an hour before park closed, so we'll see. Change of plans. We're actually going to go see Zootopia because Navi went back up to like a 50-minute wait. So we're going to go see the new Zootopia show.
Or in the truck, we don't ask questions. And Wild Times Amusement Park, where families wear matching shirts. Thanks to the generous support of Hops.
Alright, we are heading out of Animal Kingdom. It is 6:48. I got a pin box and some magnets, so I will show you when we get back, but we are done with Animal Kingdom.
Hey, I got a cookies and cream cupcake. And then you want to tell them what you got?
Oh, yeah, I can. I got this little cheesecake type thing. So you can go ahead and try yours first.
Good.
How cute.
What'd you get?
Okay, I think it's cheesecake, but it's cute. It's little Nemo. I
Aww.
don't know if it actually is cheesecake, but that's what the guy said.
Take a bite.
It's mousse, I think.
No, it is cheesecake.
Oh, good.
How is it?
So far, it's 5. It's great.
Do you enjoy the cheesecake?